Good morning, students. Today we will talk about the physical education subject code 48 Standard 11 2020-21 syllabus. My dear students, our whole syllabus is divided in two parts. The first one is theory, that is having 70 marks, and practical, that would have 50 marks. So here we can see that altogether we have to fight for 100 marks. Let us talk about the theory. Theory is having altogether 10 chapters. Under these all 10 chapters, we will take a brief knowledge of complete physical and health education. Whatever the important units are included in this whole syllabus, that I will tell you one by one. Here you can see Unit 1, Changing Trends and Career in Physical Education, Meaning and Definition of Physical Education, Aim and Objectives of Physical Education, Career Option in Physical Education, and competitions in various sports and national international level and Khelo India program. So this is our Unit 1, and under this Unit 1 we will talk about these all important points. Let us see the Unit 2. This Unit 2 would be completely based on the knowledge about the Olympic, what kind of values we can inculcate in the students as well as the citizen of India through the Olympic movement, that we will learn here, and what is the Olympic symbol, ideals, objectives, values. Even we will talk about the IOC, International Olympic Committee, and IOA, that is Indian Olympic Association. Let us proceed to Unit 3, Physical Fitness, Wellness and Lifestyle. That is a very important chapter, and it is having a very great knowledge that will affect our day-to-day life. Under this chapter, we will talk about the meaning and importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle, components of physical fitness and wellness, and components of health-related fitness. Physical education and sports for the CWSN. This CWSN is very important nowadays. Children with special needs. Also we call them Divyang. And under this Unit 4, we will completely talk about the CWSN and rehabilitation program which we can see, learn and do for them. Unit 5 would be completely based on yoga, meaning and importance of yoga, elements of yoga, elements that means yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahara, dhyana, dharana, samadhi. These are all 8 elements we will discuss. Introduction of asanas, pranayama, meditation and yogic kriyas. Also we will talk about the sukhasan, tadasan, padmasan and so many asanas which can give us a very healthy and good life. Now, relaxation techniques for improving concentration, also that would be discussed for Yoga Nidra. Let us talk about the Unit 6, that would have physical activity and leadership training. Here, the things which we will discuss, that is leadership quality and role of a leader. Creating leaders through the physical education programs, meaning and objectives and types of adventure sports like rock climbing, trekking, river rafting, mountaineering, surfing and paragliding. Safety measures to prevent sports injuries. As we participate in the different kind of adventure sports, in that adventure sports we should know the safety measures. Let us talk about the test and measurement and evaluation. As we know that suppose we have to take the height of a person or the weight of the person, we have to measure the height or weight of that person. After that, we evaluate it, and after evaluation, we finally say that your height is 5 foot 10 inches. So, in the same way, we will talk about the calculation of BMI, waist hip ratio. BMI, what do we mean by BMI? Body mass index. Somatotype, that means body type, endomorphy, mesomorphy, and ectomorphy. Measurement of health related fitness. Here, fundamental of anatomy and physiology, kinesiology. The unit 8 will teach us definition and importance of anatomy, physiology, and kinesiology. We will learn under this unit function of skeletal system, function and structure of respiratory system, circulatory system. As we perform the activity through the different kind of sports activities, and these all things are greatly participated in it, so we will learn about the bones and joints. Few physics principles would also be discussed under unit 8. Now we will talk about the psychology and sports. Why the psychology is important in our daily to daily life? Because we get motivation under the banner of psychology, and through the motivation we get the desired goal in the field of sports. Also, we will talk about the growth and development of the human being. We will talk about the mental characteristics of different stages of development, like infant, childhood, youngsters or adolescent, adult, and old. Also, we will talk about the adolescent problems and their management. And chapter 10, that will give us the knowledge and information about the sports training, what principle we should adopt for the sports training, that we will learn. What is warming up, what is limbering down, a very important topic which we will discuss under unit 10, and concept and classification of doping. Doping is nothing but it is the way through which we take the edibles which can affect the performance of the human being, prohibited substances and their side effects, dealing with alcohol and substances abuses. So it was the bird's eye view of your theory that would have the 70 marks impact on your whole study. Later on, we will talk about the practical. Practical will have altogether 30 marks, and that 30 marks are greatly divided in physical fitness, 6 marks, proficiency in games and sports. Any game you have to select from these all games, and you have to practice it, and you have to perform few important skills of these all games. Not these all games, any one of the game from these all games. After that, the 7 marks for the jogging practices, and you have to prepare a record file. I will tell you later on the whole syllabus of that record file, and here the final you will go through and test the interview. There we will put viva voice, we will put some question in front of you, and you will have the 5 marks. So here we have seen that altogether practical is having 30 marks and theory is having 70 marks, and the whole syllabus will have 100 marks. I hope this information will be sufficient to know about the whole syllabus of the physical and health education. Later on, we will talk about one by one the units, and from the next video I will start the teaching of the first unit, that is career and knowledge about the physical education. Till then, goodbye. May God bless you. Thank you.